Hey guys, what's up? Quick video. Yesterday, guys, one of you asked me this question: why I don't make videos about women nature? Look, guys, because I have to go now, I'm going to give you a quick answer now, and in the future, I will make another video to explain my point more. Look, guys, there is no such thing as women nature. There is no such thing as man nature. We as people, we are so different from each other. We are so different from each other. If we have the same religion, same job, same gender, it doesn't mean we are the same or we have the same what they call nature. If we are living at the same town, doing the same thing, it doesn't mean we are the same. People have different chemistry, energy, mindset, imagination, fantasies. People are so different from each other. The guys in YouTube will bring one video from TikTok, or even 10 videos, or even 20 videos from TikTok to judge entire group of people. Look, guys, I'm going to finish my video by saying this. The guys in YouTube who are talking about women nature, these are the undesired men. Men who are not desired. They are not wanted. They are angry. And look, guys, maybe these men have some people in their life. They have partners. But they are having the people that they don't want. Because the ones they want don't want them. Look, guys, I'm going to finish my video by saying this. Desire the men. Men who are naturally desired. They don't need any manipulation. They don't need to be passive aggressive. They don't call themselves alpha, omega, what other one? Sigma, red, blue, black. Men who are desired never judge. They are naturally desired. They don't need any manipulation or this thing they call it game. No. Men who are desired, guys, don't even need to say a word. It's natural connection. It's natural attraction. Something built in you. Something in you that you cannot fake. You cannot learn. It's built in you. It's energy connection. You will be walking somewhere, and this person walking in the front of you, and both of you are looking at each other like you have been together forever. It's weird. You'll be talking with someone and you feel like this person belongs to you somehow, and this person is feeling the same exact way. No games, no lying, no manipulation, nothing. You can see what you want, you act what you want, you do what you want, and this person is still connect with you. That's natural desire. The guys in YouTube are not desired men, angry, bad energy. Look, there is no such man nature or women nature. We are different. We are not the same. Don't judge people if you don't know them. If you don't know someone in personal level, don't judge them. Anyway, guys, I will be making another video to say my points more. I have to go now. Peace. I'm out.